Good morning, team. This is a quick video explaining how to set and make a demonstration with on-demand VPN for iOS. So on my laptop I have a big IP, APM 11.4.1, have an iPad as well, and the goal is just to show you how to set and how to make a demo easily. So first of all, on your APM, set a standard APM policy for VPN SSL. Okay, so in my case, it's this one. If you have a login page, a local DB authentication, and resource assign. Resource assign is just my webtop and my VPN SSL, my network access profile. So the network access is a normal one, classic, as usual. Okay, no specific configuration on the APM to enable on-demand VPN. On the iPad, so turn on, let's go. So on the iPad, first of all, I need to import and to push CA certificate. This one is the CA for my virtual server certificate on the client side, and this one is a user certificate. I'm gonna show you that my goal is just to enable on-demand VPN with login and password only. I don't want to use certificate, but to make it works, to enable on-demand VPN, you need to push a user certificate. So it can be a dummy certificate anyway, but you need to have one user certificate in your iPad. So have a look. This is my Edge client. In my Edge client, I don't have any configuration at the moment. So let's go for a brand new one. So a name for demo. My server is a 10.8.1, and username is Matt and password is Matt. This is my internal local database user account, and to enable on-demand, I need to enable use certificate. Have a look. On-demand appears when you click on use certificate. So in the certificate, select one. In my case, it's user one, but it could be a dummy certificate for all devices. The certificate will never be used by the iPad for authentication because my APM policy does not request and require any certificate. But just to have the menu and to set the domain list, you need to push certificate. And in my case, my internal domain is .internal.local. I have an Exchange server, so I should be able to reach my OWA with internal.local. Perfect. Save. Okay, so first of all, you need just to check that the connection is good. Negotiating, it's okay, connected. Check on your APM side, connected with username Matt. Perfect. So disconnect. Perfect. Refresh. Let's go. So now let's start and test the on-demand VPN. So at the moment there is no VPN. On the top left corner there is no VPN icon. So I'm gonna try to reach my OWA dot internal dot local, and for my server is OWA. Let's go. Perfect. So have a look. On top corner says my VPN. So if I switch to my Edge client, I'm connected, and here I'm connected with the Matt username. So perfect. So I should be able to check my email if I remember my credential. Let's test. Great. So very easy to use and to make a demonstration. So this use case is login and password. So be careful regarding the password. If the password expires, the user will never have any warning or any pop-up. They're just a failing. It's just a fail. So be careful if you use login password. Of course, certificate is much more better because you can push new certificate before revocation. So be careful if you use login and password. But it's very easy to make a demonstration with iOS devices. Take care.